Hey there, so let's discuss why the sky appears blue. Most of us might already know about this, but hear me out. The sky is actually violet. More on that later. First, let's understand the blue. See, the sunlight is white from its source, but as it rains down on Earth, it hits the atmosphere and scatters into a spectrum of colors. Yes, a rainbow. This phenomenon is known as Rayleigh scattering. During this, the bluer lights. I don't know if that's a word. Anyway, the blue lights having shorter wavelengths scatter more in the atmosphere, giving them their blue color than those of lower wavelength reds. And there you have it, a blue sky. What? Oh, right. The violet sky, violets have even shorter wavelengths than blue, so technically it should scatter more and appear dominantly in the sky. Right? Right? But our human eye cone cells are more sensitive towards blue color than violet, and that's why we can't see blue sky. Yeah, that's it. Bye.